If you like to sing but are convinced it's beyond you, here's all you have to do. Leave yourself alone for 5 minutes. No judging yourself, no comparing your voice to anyone else's. Most of us have probably never done that, which is why most of us don't associate singing with a good feeling. Those counterproductive habits are all that's keeping you from a feeling of being completely alive and at home in yourself when you sing. Those habits kept me from singing for almost 70 years. It seems ridiculous now because I know how much happiness and stress relief singing gives me. If I'm in a mental knot, I've found my reset button. I stop what I'm doing and I sing, even just for a few minutes. The mental tightness I'd been experiencing is always dissolved by singing in a matter of seconds. Give yourself this gift. Singing is your birthright just like it's every human's birthright. On a morning like this I could kiss everybody. I'm so full of love and goodwill. Furthermore, let me say I'd adore everybody to come and dine. The pleasure's mine, and I will pay the bill. Let me take this occasion to say that the whole human race should go down on its knees. Show that we're grateful for mornings like these, for the world's in a wonderful way, on a wonderful day like today.